Good morning and welcome to my channel Wealth Investment. Today, the topic of discussion would be Nordic American tankers. As you're aware, Nordic American tankers stock fell as much as 10% on May the 5th. So, everyone would be thinking, what has happened? So, shares of oil shipper Nordic American tankers fell nearly 12% by around 10:30 a.m. on May the 5th before gaining back some lost ground around the mid. By mid-afternoon, the stock was down in the high single digits. So what happened was the Swiss owner reported a doubling of the dividend over the previous quarter over the market after the market closed on May the 4th. So the sell-off might seem out of a place, but I believe this is the main reason why the sell-off has happened. Because when we looked at within the larger oil market environment, the dividend actually explains why investors might be concerned. Okay, so there's a whole story on how it goes. Nordic American tankers fleet around 20 ships, normally ferries, oil around the world, right? And with the global effort to slow the spread of the virus, which eventually led to a reduction in the demand of oil, which essentially shuttered the economies across the planet, has led to a swift and material drop in demand, right? So oil supply was already fairly high, and energy industry found itself in a severe oversupply situation. The extra oil was filled by most available storage that are used by many companies. Then what happened was leading industry participants called this company to jump in and become seaborne storage containers. And that is where the game started, right? That's excellent news for Nordic American tankers, which is able to charge extremely high rates for its ships when storage issues such as this emerge in this pandemic. In fact, the current market drawback is why the company was able to double its dividend from 0.07 per share in the first quarter of 2020 to 0.14 in the second. It's also worth noting and very interesting that the second quarter dividend was more than the company's full year dividend of 0.10 per share in 2019. This becomes great news for investors because, everyone is getting higher dividend. But the opportunity here is very, very limited. What happened is the extra supply is getting worked off now, and the demand for Nordic American tankers fleet will return to more normal levels in near future. Today, investors are taking an upbeat view of the future for supply and demand in the energy market because everyone is expecting that the economy will reopen eventually, and the hope is that the demand will quickly return and eat away at the excess supply, right? So producers are now cutting back and making sure that the process works along. In this best case scenario, I'm talking about the demand and the supply equation, the tanker stocks, particularly this company's ability to charge premium prices will eventually fade, and big dividend increases, which it's announcing now, will eventually lead to dividend cuts. So, um, what is now my take on it? Like, if I was to invest in Nordic American tankers at this particular stage, even though the price is going down, being a risk-averse investor, I would stay away from it. In fact, the current run rate yield of over 9% isn't likely to last for long. And if I want to invest solely for the purpose of dividend, I believe there will come a time when the dividend will be cut off. So until the situation becomes clear, I would stay away from it because who knows what will happen in the future. Stay subscribed to my channel for more interesting content. If you'll please like the video, and if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section below. Thank you.